Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hassan. This video is all about why did I buy the iMac 2020. The main reason was that there is so much uncertainty about the silicon coming in an iMac, which is most probably going to be 32 inches or something. Why wouldn't I want that? Of course I would want that, but when is it gonna launch? We didn't know that. I bought this machine back in the last week of September, I believe, sometime. And at that time, M1 had not launched. So there was a lot of uncertainty about it. Whereas this machine, it's a true, tried, tested machine. We don't know what sort of hiccups Apple is going to experience when it's going to put its own chips into these machines. And I'm pretty sure that it's going to take them. This is like I'm trying to tell myself, mate, calm down. You did the right thing. But honestly speaking, I'm sure that it's going to take some time for Apple to learn. Will it fly or something? It will take some time before Apple has done it right. So therefore, we're talking about what, year and a half or something? No, I needed the machine right now. Okay, that sounds very impatient, but I really needed the machine now. Let me just tell you the specs I went for. I went for the i7 3.8 GHz, boosting up to 5 gigs, 10th gen, the standard 8 GB RAM, because I plan to upgrade it up to 64 GB from Amazon. I went for the standard, what a high standard, but yeah, I went for the standard graphics card, which was 5500 XT with 8 GB. Honest to God, after using it for so long, yeah, it's fine. Man, I knew it was going to be fine. Anything more than that RS thing in the MacBook Pro 2015 would have done for me anyway. Let me put it this way. There are two things you need to consider before even going towards the machines. Do you want it or do you need it? If you want it, then I would say maybe you should wait till next year. But if you need it, simply go for it. However, I must say these are difficult times and making money is not very easy nowadays. Everybody's struggling. So if you got enough moolah under your mattress, fine, take it out and buy it. If you don't, I don't think it would be a wise thing to finance it. But then again, this is your personal choice. It's your money, it's your choice. So please do remember to subscribe and hitting the like button for me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.